Thelma's turn. If you remember right, Thelma was very scared of the clippers. So we could only do her a little bit the last time, but look at her now. Her daddy's taking her time with her, and
I just clip what she gives me.
yep.
A leg or...
Bring her back towards you a little more, Dad. She's...
Come here, Thelma. Thelma. That's a good girl.
There we go. At least she's not squirming all over the place and scared to death. Her tail's kind of waggling. Pretty good. As long as she doesn't see the clippers coming, she's fine. So we kind of just fake her out like I'm going to brush her. And then, for some reason, she's really scared of them. When she went to get groomed the first time, I think they really scared her with the clippers. So as long as she thinks it's a brush, she's fine. Just have to take our time with her because she got really scared the first time. Her daddy's good with her. The face might be another day. But at least she's letting us do this. The Thelma girl.